you guys how I installed my midnight unit. It's 24 inches. I made it with my hair so pretty bundle. My brand shop me has so pretty bundle. That's the natural state. I did everything to it. The only thing I did extra was I got it completely jet black. I'm showing you everything. I will be showing you which is how everything comes. The only thing that's not in her wig is the comb, and that's simply because she's completely bald and she said she had no use for them. But all of my custom units come with 3 combs and an elastic band, as well as my pre-made unit. You can shop with me at hairsewpretti.com to get units, bundles, funnels, closures, and a whole lot more. So yeah, shop with me at hairsewpretti.com, and we're gonna get into this video. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to mold cap down. Before I did the spray, I did spray my cap with the hair spray. After that, I sprayed it as if I was to blow dry it, let it dry, and then I start molding it with the adhesive, which is here. Once that dries clear, then we're gonna go ahead and put the cap off, and then we're gonna continue to lay the wig. See how it bleeds before I actually put the glue down in order to do my wig. Okay, so now right here I'm going to go ahead and put the cap on and see everything is pretty much folded down really good with these are the steps that I followed from her. Once I go ahead and put the cap off, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on to actually see where I'm going to lay the wig. Now, quick tip, once you see where you're going to lay the wig, I have a lot of forehead, so I bring it up a little closer to a little more past my hairline than someone actually with not a lot of forehead wig. So, and that works for me. I don't like my wig to sit far back. I don't like it to sit directly on top of my forehead, but like there, with not like a wig. So now, right here, I'm showing you the Ebin spray. It's a medium brown, or medium dark, one of the two. But I sprayed that on the inside of my wig, which I really didn't need to because I did have a dark brown stocking cap, as you all can see. So I could have hid away the piece because my wig was already customized and bleached and everything, so I didn't need it. Once I sprayed the Ebin spray on it, with the makeup, but I didn't put it inside. I put it on the outside, the hairline of the wig, and then I sprayed it with the rest of the spray. And I sprayed the inside with the rest of the spray as well. Blow dried it, and then you're going to see me go ahead and put it on. Actually, there's a piece of blend in there. Okay, so right here, I'm actually showing you guys the blend. Once I do everything, the Ebin spray, I'm sorry, then the makeup I have the hairline, and it actually went really well. So like I said, I didn't really use the Ebin spray because I did have my dark brown stocking cap. So you can skip this step if you're using a dark brown stocking cap and your my skin tone or darker. Okay, so right here I'm just using the hold me down adhesive by J. I'm using it, I think I used 4 layers. I really didn't use, if I wasn't having a lot of activity, so I'll put it like that. This weekend I wouldn't have needed glue because it is a bluish unit. So yeah, you can wear this unit bluish or you can add adhesive to it. I chose to add adhesive to it because I wanted my wig to actually stay completely down for everything that I was doing this weekend, and I didn't want to lose the wig. So yeah, that's why I chose to use adhesive. But again, I use 4 layers of the adhesive. Make sure it dries clear. Each and every layer dries clear before you proceed on to the next layer. Once everything dries clear, then you can go ahead and lay the wig in. But make sure it dries clear before you lay in. Okay, so look at the blend on this wig. That's what I was trying to show you guys. The makeup at the very front of your hairline makes a big difference. Not too heavy, not too light, just right. Sorry about the singing. That's why I did the voiceover. That's why I did the voiceover because first of all, so that's why I did Look how good this install looks, and I'm not even done yet. I haven't did the melt yet. Just be precise about what you're doing and take your time. No rush, and you'll be fine. Make sure you go back and hit every corner that you did not get the glue on. Make sure that you don't make you put the glue on and there's no wrong way to do it, but not doing it at all. So go back and add the glue where you need to do it and lay it down just like you laying the rest of the blend. Okay, so now that everything is laid down, now I'm going to go ahead and proceed with the baby hairs. Once I do the baby hairs, then I'm going to go ahead and tie it down with my Sew Pretti lace wrap. Once I do that, I'm going to blow dry it, let it dry, and then we're going to go ahead and proceed with the styling. Now I did spray my lace with the Tru-match deep dark or dark deep, one of the two. Lace tint on the outside of the lace. After I laid everything down before I did these baby hairs. Now it is very liquidy. It does run. You probably have to touch the makeup, to wear makeup or whatever, but it's very good and it makes the lace blend in very well. Right there, I'm just showing you a water bottle. I just sprayed some on my hand and put it on my funnel. Where I sprayed, that got to be sprayed to lift the hair up so that I can do everything. Do y'all see that scalp? Like, get into it. Look at that scalp. But on this side, you will see me spray the Tru-match lace tint that I was telling you about that I sprayed on the other side. I'm going to spray it on this side as well. Then we're going to go ahead and proceed with finishing the baby hairs and then the styling. To the best of my abilities. I was tired. Again, y'all, I'm so sorry about the lighting. It was like 3 in the morning. Me filming this video was, under our video. Okay, right here I'm just spraying some c-luxextension to my wig. I also use her stick serum. They both are really good and smells good. She's a black business owner. She's on Instagram. I think that's c-luxextension. But I'll have everything in the description box so you guys can check it out as well. Okay, so right here, can't y'all tell? I was really tired. Like, really. It's 4 in the morning. I was tired. But I got it together. And flat iron real quick. Just continue watching. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2 of me styling the same wig.